Hello, a very warm welcome to the channel. Today I am super excited to share with you the simple fried yams recipe. It doesn't only taste absolutely good, but it comes out very beautiful. After frying the yams, it looks like a bride ready to say I do to the bridegroom. Are you ready? Let's begin. So I've got a tube of yam here. I cut it into two pieces and then start peeling the yams. Now when peeling the yam, try as much as possible to peel it very well. You don't want to be having itchiness in the throat whilst you're enjoying your fried yam. Once you're done with the peeling, divide it into two equal parts and then divide the half again. So once you're done with the division, you start cutting them into smaller sizes. The shapes depends on how you want it, so feel free and cut them into any desirable shapes. Also, do not cut the yams into big chunks because the motive is to get a crispy yam. So when you're done with the cutting, it is now time to give the yams a very good wash. Put them in a bowl containing water, add some salt to it and give it a proper wash. I've seen a lot of people using lemon juice or vinegar to wash their yams. I'm using salt to wash the yams, but feel free to use anything to wash your yams provided you are okay with it. Now I'll give the yams the second good wash. When you're washing your yams, try as much as possible to wash them very well, making sure that there is no traces of sand on the yams. Whilst washing the yams, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel if you've not, like this video, and do not forget to share this video out. I'm going to transfer the yams into a bigger bowl, but before that, I clean the bowl with a clean napkin and then transfer the yams into the bowl. But if your yams are in a bigger bowl, then there is no need to do the step that I just showed. Clean the excess water from the cut yams with a paper towel or use a clean napkin or a towel. Also make sure there is no traces of water on the yams, so clean it very well. Okay. Now add in a little bit of seasoning powder. You can see the seasoning powder is not too much. Yes, we just need a little bit of it, and then add in some salt. Note that the seasoning powder contains sodium or salt, so when you're adding in your salt, please be mindful of it. I mean the quantity of the salt. Now add in some turmeric powder and massage it on the yams. I thought a friend of mine this recipe, and the first question she asked was, can I use curry powder? No, you can't use curry powder for this recipe. The reason be that curry powder has a lot of other spices which are aromatic, has a little bit of scent in it, and that is not what we are going in for. We want a scentless, spice. Okay, you can use food color, but I am not a good fan of food color, and turmeric is healthy, so why not use turmeric instead of food color? Heat some amounts of oil and start frying your yams. When frying yams and you want a very crispy fried yams, it is best to fry or to use the deep frying method. That is to fry the yams in a lot of oil. You fry the yams in the oil till they are well fried, and they should take about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your heat. Serve and enjoy with any sauce of your choice. If you want to know how I fry this turkey, then check the description. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope to see you again next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Guten Appetit. Cheers.